Hello, in this video I will explain how to document and record the contouring setup for individual users using our contouring charts. Contouring charts are available for our cushions and back supports. These very useful documents are available to download at spexseating.com. Contouring charts capture the setup at assessment to easily replicate this again if there is a time delay between the initial assessment and back support or cushion provision. If the Spex products are being used in a wheelchair service or clinic for assessments for multiple users, this form makes it very easy to record and set up the provided back support contouring system, which can save a lot of time and effort. It is also a fabulous tool to record contouring changes over time, or to monitor whether changes have been made outside of the clinic setting. Contouring charts can be used by clinicians, family and carers to document changes and accurately record the contouring changes. Now let me show you how to fill in the Spex Classic Back Support contouring chart that indicates the primary layer indicated here in black. Turn the back support over so that the pockets are facing upwards. Cross off any horizontal layers. You may find that when using a smaller back support, there are extra unnecessary rows on the contouring chart, so simply cross these off. Systematically check what foam pads are inserted into each pocket and record row by row and column by column. We know that sometimes professionals have their own way of marking how foams are folded, so please ensure that all persons involved are aware of how to interpret the contouring chart, so any changes can be shared and monitored. We will start with the top left corner for the video, but how you do this will be up to you. This pocket has 4 pink foams in the pocket, and I will simply mark it like this. This pocket has 1 folded pink foam and 1 flat pink foam. I will simply mark it like this. If I had an additional positioning wedge here in this position, I would mark it like this. With practice, this can be completed very quickly during assessments and seating provision appointments. We consider this an essential tool to ensure correct setup and monitor changes over time. Thank you for watching.